you doing? You know, I had a guy comment one time on another video, what kind of idiot would go down the road cooking? Well, I made a miss. Well, sometimes you have to play the expediter in this game, right? Y'all all understand that. But maybe everybody don't. The people that watch do, right? So, here we are, and we just picked up this engine, and it has to be there pretty quick, right? I don't want to cook and drive. That's what's going on today. But I'm not gonna make a crazy big meal, right? Because we're in Connecticut. That means it's kind of a mess up here. Oh my goodness, this stuff is really old. This is my emergency food supply that I've had around for years. That I sure ain't been eating on. But what is it? It's beef. It's roast beef. Got an awful lot of liquid in it. I have a feeling when I'm done with it, it's going to be Denny Moore beef stew. Wasn't my plan. I keep these around for when, if you break down on the road or whatever, or get stuck in the snow. It's something easy, quick and easy to eat, right? I ain't going to eat it unless I have to, like this situation right here. But I might feed it to you. I'm sorry, I'm going to feed you dog food. But, you know, I don't know you. Or not you particularly. Whoever is stuck beside us in the snow. You know, you got 20 people stuck, or 100. Some of them's going to get the beans. But anyway, it's kind of a mess, let me tell you. So I just threw that up in there, and so far it's not falling off of the stove. Can't go wrong with mushrooms, right? Make sure you clean your lids off. Some of this stuff sitting around for 2 or 3 years can get some dust on the lids. You don't want to get the food poisoning, right? I'm sure there's some kind of dusty food poisoning you can get. Bacillus or something like that. I read that somewhere. But let's put the mushrooms in here too. That's got to be good, right? Not exactly. Y'all don't pick on me now. You know, if you was hungry, you'd eat it. And we're hungry. I just looked, and it's like 100 and something miles to a truck stop. Wait a minute, which one's back? I think it's this one over here. So that's a long way. And I'm hungry now. There will be rest areas in route. So I thought, hey, I'm going to cook the girl up some food. You know she'll appreciate it. She really likes to eat. She's not such a picky person. Let's see what else I can find. Alright. I found some cauliflower rice too to throw in there. Why not, right? Alright, now it's all in there. Oh, I know. I know. Season to taste, right? Yeah, a little seasoning. That'll be good. It'll need more, I'm sure. Hey, how about some of this? Yeah, how about that? Alright. I'd rather be sitting down playing my ukulele, but I'm hungry. I tried to eat some pork skins and I got choked and about died. Alright, now we're going to stick the lid on there. Here, you want to see it? I'll let you have a look at it. That's it for now, alright? Now when I get back with you guys in a little bit, it'll probably be, I mean, it actually smells really good. But who knows, it could go terribly wrong. Yeah, that's the right one. Let's see. Alright guys, you see how that turned out? I'll give you a gander at it. Don't look terrible. It's just nothing but a quick throw together because we ain't got no time. But
Oh, you mixed it. It's kind of like soup.
it's kind of like soup, right? But it'll be filling, maybe. If we might drink the rest of the juice. But hey, we got a good deal over here in like 36 hours or 60 hours or something like that. So
Quit chasing him around.
you know we gotta be hurrying. It ain't always hamburgers and roses. Sometimes it's roses and stew apparently.
And cauliflower rice.
Yeah, cauliflower or whatever.
Oh, and sporks.
Yeah, how come we don't have no spoons?
We never bought any. Or brought any, either one.
She couldn't have stolen none. Come on now, girl.
Do you use both things of cauliflower rice?
No. But maybe I should have.
It's okay. Maybe have some leftovers.
You entertain the good people.
I don't know what's tell good people. I want some garlic and some salt and some food. He's been back here cooking while I've been driving.
I don't know. Apparently it's working, but I can't be sure. Anyway, it smells good regardless.
We actually ate that meat before with taters and carrots and
The
stuff.
meat was
and
good, yeah.
It's flavored real good. For a canned meat,
And
surprisingly.
I can't take no credit if it is good because all I did was whip it together, right? Whip it real good.
That's a song. I know this. Not very well, but I know this.
I know it pretty well. Trouble comes along, baby.
We're at
You
a
can
rest
whip it.
area in New York. And I'm driving. Can y'all believe that?
We're in the country.
Me driving. Oh, we're in the country, so it's okay if the girl drives. Just not the city.
That's right.
Will you give me some garlic, salt,
Yes, I will.
sugar booger?
Anyway, we may or may not let you guys know how this came out. But wait a minute, the girl might let you know right now.
It tastes good. It's hot.
Is that good? I should've put-
Temperature hot.
Good. Alright. Well, I'm going to eat. See you guys
It,
later.
of course, needs a little bit more garlic.
There it is.
If there's ever a recipe that calls for 1 clove of garlic,
Put 2.
put 2 in.
Alright. Let's eat.